Yeah, the bottom section down here, you only got one hand, you gotta clean out in here. I set it down guttering. And here is the trough. You see how we do it at the top. Them nested boxes are going to take out them from there and put them lower down so that the hens could use them there inside the pen. So we'll just block back at there so way. So let me carry it top and show you these are the chicks. These here, so is the ones here now that are just over 3 weeks old. Yeah, he's got to use a ladder to get it here to these here. So these ones here just over 3 weeks old. And I trying these here on dry feed. And they just put that my old water there with some vitamin E in it. So let's see what's going on. They got that water there shut off. These ones here just over 3 weeks. And you see how big these is already. And this is the problem that I got with the dry feed. Because even at this stage, see the how that one jump up there? You got feed in here so up on the ground. That is why I get away from the dry feed method and use the wet feed. Because no feed won't be able to go the feeder that I'm using. And it will eat all. But so far so good. Yeah, these here so is the float valves that I bring in that I want to set it to make my waters with. So what you do with these ones, that is a strainer that inside of there. Yeah, you can see it there, that is a strainer that inside of there. So what you do with it, with these first two, is to put on the piece. This piece here is the one that is the nipple that does screw onto the bell waters. I cut off the ends and grind it down and fit it up inside the same hole. So far this here could pull out with the strainer from up inside the strainer. See the strainer still inside of there. So I could just come and put on the holes on up on here and do what we gotta do. So we're working on this here, man. Yeah, but this first one, they done got that stick inside of there with some epoxy.